All right, now I'm going to introduce you to a service called Leads Leap. They are free to join. You can use the button below this video to set up your free account. And what we want to do is integrate this into our Systeme.io platform so that we can use both of these free tools to either promote our business or promote other affiliate programs. And actually, if you're using Systeme.io, there's all kinds of features that you can use to make money with. And one that we're doing is by creating a course in Systeme.io, creating a funnel for it, and collecting emails, and setting up an affiliate program where my affiliate program where we can actually promote this to other affiliates that want to sell our course, and we give them whatever commission. There's a whole platform of tutorials that we can do to set up our affiliate program, but I just wanted to mention that using Systeme.io for that is powerful, very powerful. We have our blog, we have our funnels, we got our autoresponder, we've got our products, and we've got an affiliate dashboard where we can hire affiliates to sell our program for us. Now, Leads Leap is actually a marketing platform where you can actually run ads. If you look over here on the right, there's actually ads that people are promoting through Leads Leap, and other members have to click on those ads in order to get credits. It's kind of like a traffic exchange. So we're using Leads Leap as a traffic exchange as well. Now, Leads Leap also has a bunch of features that Systeme.io has, like building a list, email, autoresponder, page builder, funnel builder, pop-up creator. But we're going to use Leads Leap to actually create your splash page and welcome page so that you don't have to go in there and create it all yourself, because all you have to do is put in the share code, and we'll show you that in the next video. And we'll show you that in the next video. So by combining both of these free services, you can create your own online courses. You can create your own online funnels, splash pages, email lists, and on, everything you need for free. So let's go ahead and go to the next video and show you how to use Leads Leap.